Hello, everybody, and welcome to week 6, day 5. And we're going to continue to work with those CVC words, those little words that have a consonant, then a vowel in the middle, and then another consonant. So the vowels, remember, are A, E, I, O, and U. When they are in a CVC word, they use their short sound a, e, a. So those are the sounds that we are going to listen for in order to know which vowel to put in the middle. But today we are breaking the word apart. We're going to look at the picture, we'll say the word, and I'll help you say it. And then we're going to break it apart into those 3 sounds, the beginning, middle, end. And today you're going to write a letter for each of those sounds. Now I just want to tell you that Mrs. Rubel might be going fast, too fast for you today. And so you can slow down, you can use your sound chart, and you can look at it by yourself after I show you what to do and name the pictures for you. Okay? So here we go. This is a cat. Now, if we're breaking that into sounds, it would be k-at, k-at. So we have a beginning sound k, a middle sound a, and ending sound t. You need to find the letters or think about what letters make those sounds, if you already know them, and write one letter in each box to match the sound that you hear. Okay, this is a little bit tricky. It's just talking about the pot. The pot. So this is a flower pot. Pot. Okay, pot. This is a mug. 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 Okay, mug. I am trying to figure out what this little bird is doing in its nest, and I am not sure. I'm going to skip this one for right now until I remember what the picture is. It only can have 3 letters, and I'm not remembering. Let's move on to this one, and I will remember what this one is. Okay, so this is a pig. 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 All right, so this animal with curly shaggy hair is called a yak. 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 And this animal is called a bat. 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 And here we have a family. Oh no, there's kids. There's a kids, and this would be a bus. I can tell because it has a little stop sign that comes out so that the kids can get off the bus safely. Bus. Bus. Here is a dog. Dog. And here is a fox. Fox. So I thought of a word we could use for this picture. We could say this bird can sit in the nest. So let's use the word sit because it looks like this bird can sit in this nest. So let's use sit. Ready? Sit. 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 Okay? All right, so if you got those all done, great. If you didn't, or if it was too fast, just stop the video and go back to the beginning and hear them again. And one picture even tricked Mrs. Rubel, so you might need to do that one again. That's fine. Here is our 17 page, just like we did 16 yesterday. Rainbow right, circle number 17 when you find it. 17 X's or circles, nice and neat. And color 17 apples. There are way more than 17. So use some sort of strategy to figure out which ones you do not want to color or which ones you do, and stop when you get to number 17. And all of those ideas I gave you yesterday, cutting out pictures, doing stamps, stickers, whatever you want to do here, you may do. Use your imagination and do whatever you want here. If you have I have some seed packets that I didn't use all the seeds. I just thought of that one. I could glue the leftover seeds here because a lot of them came in one package. So you could do that. Use your imagination. I wanted to also today show you the week 6 extra pages. Okay, so week 6 extra. And in the week 6 extra pages are 3 things. There is this dictation page, which you guys are very familiar with. I would be saying number 1, then I would say a sound or a word, and you would write it next to number 1. We usually do sounds, our new sounds, and maybe our FAFSA words. We are not going to use this for week 6. I put it in your packet, but I decided to wait and use it for week 7. So I'm going to put some dictation in week 7, and that way we could kind of do that together on a Zoom meeting during week 7, which is next week. Okay, so don't worry about this page, just set it aside, but keep it, and I'll try to send some more of these home for you this week also. All right, there's 2 more things. One is this word journal page. We would be putting this in our word journal at school if we were at school. You can just do it on your own. So you remember the word is big. So the word you're working with is big, one of those CVC words. You're going to write it in each of the spaces. Write the word big in each space, and then read each sentence. And all of these words you know. I can see a big fork. So this is all funny things that you can see. I can see a big table. I can see a big apple. I can see a big giant. Exclamation point. So if this is super easy for you, and I know it will be, you could turn the paper over and do your own sentence with the word big. I can see a big, and then look around you or look out your window and write a sentence about what you can see. I can see a big something. All right, and the last thing that's in your packet is a Let's Find Out magazine. So the Let's Find Out magazine, when you go to this website, you can click on I'm a student, and it will ask you for a class code, and our class code is King Toy, KINGTOY, 2659. You put in the numbers 2659. And I did a video about how to do that, but if you don't know, you can go to the video and look for it. And you can look at all of the Let's Find Out magazines. This is about a caterpillar. Can you finish this rhyme? This caterpillar crawls, it slowly inches by, but soon it will grow up and change into a butterfly. So this one is all about the changes that this caterpillar is going through. So go to your Let's Find Out online resources and do this online and have fun with it. All right, so I will see you next time.